Welcome back to Origami Videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to fold this sailboat. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and we'll start by folding our paper in half. Once you have it, open it and fold it again in half. Now open it and fold it on a diagonal. Again open it and fold it on the other diagonal. Like this. Now that all guidelines are folded, we'll start by folding our origami sailboat. You will bring this point of the paper to the middle of the paper and fold it inwards, like this. And next bring the next point of the paper to the middle. And also the third point of the paper. Just like this. Now we will unfold this middle part of the paper and we'll fold it on the line that is approximately a centimeter from this upper line. So leave a centimeter of it and press it down. Now here comes the trickier part. We will fold this line, so we'll fold it upwards like this, but just to the middle of the paper. And now we'll fold our paper on this line and we'll bring it upwards. So on this line upwards and fold it together like this. And now just press the paper down. And now we will reverse fold this line of the paper, or in a simpler way we'll just push it inwards like this and press it down. Now all that we need to do is fold this point of the paper to this middle line like this, and once we turn it around we folded our sailboat. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!